In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix high CPU usage in OneDrive. If you've noticed your computer's fans spinning up or everything slowing down while OneDrive is running, this walkthrough will help you bring CPU usage back under control. We'll first stop OneDrive safely through Task Manager, and then, if needed, perform a quick reset to clear any stuck processes. Before you begin, save your open work so nothing is interrupted during the process. Start by opening Task Manager. The fastest way is to move your mouse to an empty area of the Windows taskbar, right-click, and choose Task Manager from the menu that appears. If Task Manager opens in a simplified view, switch to the full view so you can see more details. Once you're in Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. This is where Windows lists everything that's currently running. Click into the search field at the top and type OneDrive. This filters the list so you can quickly locate the OneDrive process without scrolling through everything else that's open. When you see OneDrive in the results, right-click it and choose End Task. This immediately closes the OneDrive background process, which often stops the CPU spike within a few seconds. Give it a moment and watch the CPU column to confirm the drop. Don't worry, ending the task won't delete your files, it just stops the sync app temporarily. If high usage returns or OneDrive seems stuck, a quick reset can clean things up. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog. On screen, you'll see the reset command you need. Go ahead and copy that exact text. Click into the Run box, paste the command, and press Enter. This tells Windows to reset the OneDrive client. It clears the local sync cache and restarts the app fresh, which resolves many cases of continuous high CPU. Your files in the cloud stay safe. After the reset, OneDrive will reopen and recheck your folders. It may take a little time to settle as it verifies what's already synced, and you might see brief activity spikes during that scan. That's normal and should smooth out shortly. And that's it. By ending the OneDrive task and, if necessary, running a quick reset, you can quickly resolve most cases of high CPU usage. If your system feels snappier now, you've done it right. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need a refresher.